me the proof that I'm actually cooking today. So,
I think they're good.
what are we making here?
Another confit cherry tomatoes and garlic
Yeah.
and oregano and olive oil.
Yeah. What do we have going here?
Well, we've got a dessert going here. It looks like
What's it called?
it's like chocolate mousse. Kind of
Chocolate budino.
Chocolate budino. Oh.
That's an Italian dessert?
It's kind of a mix. It's kind of a cross between a chocolate mousse and a custard, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
thicker than a custard.
a little thicker.
Can you explain what soft peak is to us?
Explain what?
Soft peak.
Soft peaks are, come here with your camera.
Okay.
There is not soft peak shut. It's still drippy.
Uh-huh.
So when it peaks up, it's ready. It's not ready. But this is what I did the first time around. I made butter.
Oh, too much.
I whipped it too long.
So what do we have going here?
Breading eggplant for an eggplant tower.
Nice.
Panko and Parmesan cheese and oregano.
Deconstructed eggplant parmesan.
We're doing an oven fry.
Oh.
Oven fry. So it's nice and crispy. You get that nice crispiness without getting all the fat.
Healthier. So risotto takes about 30 to 40 minutes to properly cook. And that is why all those people, all the chefs in chop, they get chopped because it doesn't get cooked easily. So it's a labor of love.
Italian soul food.